Alright you guys, so I only spent $56 on this haul, and normally I probably wouldn't even show you a haul of this small size, but there's an important reason why I wanted to come on and share this haul with you, so keep on watching. Hey guys, it's me, Kay, and you've arrived at my weird little corner of the internet. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm a part-time reseller, mostly on eBay and Poshmark. I do sell locally at an antique booth, and occasionally on Mercari and Depop and Facebook Marketplace. And this is an episode of my Friday Thrift Finds series. So like I said in the intro, this is a pretty small haul. It shouldn't take up too much time, but there is a reason that I wanted to share this specific haul. So let's just get started. I spent $56.89, and my average cost of goods is $5.69 per item, right where I like to be at, usually $5 and under, but I'll take $5.69. So let's get into what I picked up. So the first item I'm gonna share with you, everything is listed by the way, except for this, because this is going to my antique booth, but this is a Bud Dry Draft mug. It's definitely vintage, it's made in the USA. I don't see a maker's mark on the bottom, but it does say made in USA, and then there's a number 70, so I don't quite know what that means, but comps on this aren't super high or anything, but it's going to the booth where I'll probably get like $6 to $8, so there's that. Then I have one other hard good, and everything else is clothing. So this is a vintage NOS, or new old stock, Gillette Passion Venus razor. It's sealed, it's never been opened, it's dated 2000. And sometimes discontinued products or old vintage new old stock products can do pretty well. This one's maybe worth like $15, but still I wanted to pick it up and try that out. I always like to branch into new areas when I can. All right, so I did get, like I said, some clothing items. So this first item I'm going to show you I had never heard of before, so if you have, let me know. The brand is Social Tourist. It says LA, California underneath, which after doing my research when I listed these, I found out that it has something to do with Hollister, so I don't know if this is specifically a Hollister brand or if it's just another name for them. If you know, please leave it in the comments. I'd love to know. But yeah, Social Tourist, size 28. These are the ultra high-rise baggy. Baggy is a good style for me lately, and what drew me to these, if you can see them right here, are these snaps. So these are tearaway snap, and they go all the way up to like right here. So you could snap them almost all the way up, kind of like those track pants from Adidas from the 90s and Y2K era. So I thought these would do fairly well because of the style. I did get quite a few Lululemon pieces, but let's save those for the end. I did get another pair of jeans. These are the wedgie skinny. If you're not new here, you know that I pick up 3 styles from Levi's these days. I pick up the wedgie, the rib cage, and the 501. I've sold quite a few of these. Skinny, wedgie, not the greatest, but they will still sell. These have a raw hem, button fly, I believe. Yeah. Button fly, and these are a size 27 if I didn't say that already. All right, and I did get a t-shirt for personal use. It's just Nike. This is the Nike tee, size medium, and it says swoosh made, and then a larger swoosh made on the back. I do wear a lot of Nike sneakers, so I figured I'd grab that for myself. All right, and then the rest of this haul is Lululemon. So the purpose of why I wanted to film this haul, even though it's less than 10 items, but the reason I wanted to film this is because not all Lululemon is created equal. I sell a buttload of activewear, if you didn't know. It's my favorite category to source. It's my favorite category to sell. I sell a lot of it, I wear a lot of it, so I know certain brands that maybe other resellers might not, but also I've spent a lot of time researching Lululemon styles, so I know a little bit about Lululemon. But anyway, I wanted to share that not all Lululemon is created equal, and I'm going to tell you why in a few minutes, but first I have a couple other pieces to share with you. So this is like a dark coral tank top. It's got little mesh accents here at the shoulder and at the back with a little keyhole. This doesn't have a size. I pick up Lululemon tops without sizes. I just measure them, but this one is staying with my collection. Next, I found another sports bra. If you watched the first part of my Boston thrift haul, you saw that I picked up like 20 sports bras from Lululemon in one store, and almost all of them have sold except for one. This one is a size 10. So when I saw this in the store, I figured I would try this one out as well. I don't remember what this one's called. And it looks kind of gray, but it's actually like a very pale minty green color. It's like very asymmetrical in the back with mesh. And then I got this tank top. It is a wrap style top. And this one actually still has the tearaway tag in it. It looks brand new. It's a size 12. And it's like a dark mauvey pink color. And there is the tie in the back. So it does have a hole on this side right here, so you can either wear it tied in the back like this, like it already is, or you can feed the tie through here and then tie it in the front. Gives a little bit of a different look. All right, and this is why I wanted to share this video. So these are both Lululemon speed shorts. One of them has a size, the other one doesn't. Yes, that means I broke my rule, but there's a good reason why. They are definitely the same size, which is a size 6, because they're exactly the same width in the waist. So I know that they were probably donated by the same person, and therefore they're likely both the same size. So they're both older styles, but they have wildly different resale values, okay? So I'll explain why. So this is speed short number 1. This is like a little pink and purple stripe. There is a small flaw here because the little logo on the end of the zipper pull is no longer there. These are the ones that have a size. They are an older style. I want to say these are 2014, 2015, something along those lines, but I never have problems selling the shorts. These have sold comps over $200. Why? Because of this. So if you're not familiar with Lululemon, they have what they call a seawees collections. So they all have slightly different logos. This one, as you saw, has like a woman's figure, like a profile on top of the Lululemon ohm symbol. These are from 2013, so again, they're older. But because they're part of the seawees collection, which are rare and hard to find, these can go for a lot of money. So when I saw the pink ones, I was really excited because I'm like, oh, Lululemon shorts, it's perfect time of year. We're heading into the end of summer, and also people live in hot climates, so the shorts always sell no matter what time I list them. But then a few sections down, I saw these and I saw the logo, and instantly my mind went, okay, let's get those and then look them up later. So there's a couple currently for sale. I think they're all over $100, except on Poshmark. There was one sold that was like $35. So I think someone just didn't know what they had exactly. I don't know where they sell the seawees collections. I don't know if you have to, sometimes they do like special collections if you run like a certain race or something like that. I don't know what the story was for 2013. I just know that they're from 2013 based on the logo and from Lulu Fanatics. But I listed these since they have no size. I estimated that it's a size 6 because I measured it against the other ones. I did put the measurement in the listing and I listed them at $125. And I already have several likes on Poshmark and several watchers on eBay. I did look at eBay Terapeak solds. I saw quite a few that were over $150 sold for this one pair of shorts. Yeah, so moral of the story is, if you see a Lululemon logo that looks a little funky, look it up. If you don't know how to look it up, send it to me on Instagram. I'd be happy to do my best and try to find it for you. But yeah, these are hopefully $80 to $100, and these are probably $30, $35 if I'm lucky, for the same exact short in the same size, just because this one is seawees and this one is not. So the more you know. I did share about this on my Instagram when I found them in the store. So if you already saw this already, then you probably knew everything that I just said. But for those of you who don't follow me on other social medias, I figured I would come on here and just put that out there so that you can be aware if you see anything that's slightly different in the stores. So don't just pass on Lululemon because it doesn't have a size or it looks old and dated, because some of those can be like unicorns in the Lululemon community, and people do search for those. There's a whole section in lulufanatics.com about unicorn pieces from Lululemon, so it might be worth your time to go click on that section and kind of scroll through and see, so that maybe if you come across one in a store, your memory will jog back to seeing it on the website, and then you'll know to pick it up. So like I said, I just wanted to come on and share that with you because I think it's important, and hopefully it will make you guys some money in the future if you come across some unicorn or seawees pieces from Lululemon. So with that said, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully it wasn't too bad for you since it's a pretty short video, and I do have a really nice, really good, really fantastic bins haul coming next week, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out here on YouTube to know what type of content you enjoy seeing from me. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here in my weird little family on the internet, and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys.